Hello and welcome back to the channel. So in today's video we're going to be doing a simple lip makeover and we're going to be making use of this product that I have here. So the first thing here is your lip gloss. It's very cheap and affordable. Then the second thing we have here is this red lipstick. You can get any red lipstick at all. Then the third thing here is a black eye pencil. So the fourth thing we'll be needing is just a nude lipstick, or you can also get a pink lipstick, whichever way around. Then I'm going to be needing this for our eyebrow. You have to really watch till the end of this video so that you can be able to get the importance of this eyebrow. So without much being said, we're going to be starting right now, and the first thing we'll be needing is this our black eye pencil. So I'm going to be applying it straight to my lips, and I'm going to be showing you guys some tips, so you wouldn't want to miss anything at all. So you have to stick here to the end of this video, okay? So the first thing first is to apply this black eye pencil to the lips, and that is what we're going to be doing right now. So once you're done with lining the up, you're just going to do the same thing to your down lips, okay? Just take it easy. Since it's a black eye pencil, we're not going to be shading it all that much. You just have to make it very light, okay? And if you are very fair, I also have a brown eye pencil here. You can also make use of it, but I'm still going to show you how you can be able to achieve a beautiful result using this. If you're really fair, you don't have to shade it all that much. So once you're done with highlighting the lid, the next thing you need to do is to just go ahead and shade a little. Just shade a little, don't make it too much. So if you notice that this center here is not really laid, like it's not really laid, so I'm going to be redoing it. All you have to do is to just make use of your fingertips and clean it up. So once you clean it up, just go back again and give it a V shape, okay? I think this is looking much more better. At least my cuticle is present. Then if you also want it to be much more defined, you can also drag it up, which is by lining this your upper lips very well. Let me show you guys what I'm talking about. Don't worry, I'll be doing a better video soon, okay? So I think this is way much better. Now when you're done with lining your lip, the next thing you need to do is to make use of your fingertips and drag it. Just drag it till it's even. Drag it till it's even. So you might be wondering, why didn't we just shade all through? If you shade all through, like, it's going to be looking too black. And if you are fair, all you need to do is to just apply a little and still make use of your hand. But if you don't want to stain your hand, if you have a makeup brush, I actually do it in my box. You can also use a makeup brush and brush it. And also same thing you do down here. You don't want the black to be too sharp, so you just blend it a little, okay? Blend it a little. So this is it. We're done with the first part. Yeah. Then if you feel that there is any need for adjustment and the rest of them, always go back to adjust. Go back to always adjust, okay? And please, if you've watched this extent and not subscribe to my channel, what are you waiting for? Go subscribe, okay? So the next thing we'll be applying is our lip gloss, and I'm going to be showing you how to do it. We're going to be basically using our hand to do everything. So just apply small to your hand, to your finger, and apply it. If you have a makeup brush, feel free to also use it. So I'm just going to gently apply it. And so this particular part is optional. You can decide to like apply it very well or not. It depends on the kind of texture you're looking for. So once you're done, you can also decide to use your hand and apply the upper part, or you just do it this way. Just make sure that it's applied all over. And once you're done, use your same hand or another of your finger to just clean some excess. Clean some excess. Adjust where needed and still go back. I think we're looking really cute. If you notice, it's really dark. So while doing your own, make sure that it's not dark. I think I actually applied this very well from the beginning. Don't worry, I'm going to be doing a part 2 or another section of this makeover, and I'm going to be explaining much more in that video, okay? So once you've achieved this, the next thing we're going to go in with is this red. the red lipstick, and I'm going to be showing you how to achieve it. So for the red lipstick, just open it, take small and tap on the lips. So once you've dropped it on your lip, the next thing you need to do is to just tap. Don't paint, just make sure that it's tapping, you're tapping. Tap, 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 tap. So for this particular part, it's depending on the texture you want. If you want it to be too, you also go in and apply, but it's just something very, very simple that we're doing. We don't need anything much. So the next thing we need to go in with is a nude lipstick, and this is how you can achieve it. Still the same process, just drop small, then use your same finger to tap it, okay? Tap that. Okay, let me correct something. While applying this pink one, if you notice, I applied it more to this center, from here to this place. So when you want to drag it to this downside, you can use another finger to actually do it. And if you're using a makeup brush, you can clean the brush and actually repeat this same process. Like, you don't need to apply too much down here, you just need to focus on this place, then just drag little to these two end parts. So that's what I'm doing now. Yeah, is it looking better now? Is it better? Do we leave it, or should I go ahead and add? So I noticed that I'm having some red lipstick on this side and this side, so I just need to get rid of it. Sorry, my wipes is not here, so if you have a wipes around you, you can also use it. You can also make use of it. So I am done with cleaning all the excess, and I think I'm looking much more good. So you can also apply small black lipstick just to define it. Oh, I've made a mistake. I'm going to always clean it. Just to define it, just to give it a little touch, okay? Small black lipstick, yeah. Nice, small black eye pencil, yeah. So I think it's looking much more better now. It's giving, isn't it? I'm changing already. Don't worry, we're still going there. Yeah, so once you're done with that, I think the lip is quite okay. Now, for this other part, you can either go ahead and apply this all over again, which is your wet lip gloss. You can also go back and apply it. That is, if you want it to be looking all too shiny and the rest of them, you can go back to apply it. So this is the look we have after reapplying the lip gloss all over again. Now I think this is really beautiful. It's giving this so cute. So we're done with that. I think I need to do my hair first, or should we just go straight to the eyebrow part? So that is all for the lip. So that is all for the lip makeover. Now we're going to be focusing on our eyebrow. Yes, let's get this eyebrow done. Let me show you the magic. Yeah, so to fix your eyebrow, you only need this for your eyebrow, and I'm going to be showing you how you can be able to achieve it. Now what you just need to do is to simply open it, then take small with your brush. Just there, take small, apply it to your hand, just something very small, apply it to your hand. Then just take and yeah, don't drag your eyebrow up, just leave it the way it is. Okay, I think let me make use of my mirror. So then what you just need to do is to just apply it. Please don't use too much. Just apply it and drag it up. There's no issue. Don't use too much, because once it's wet, it's going to become wet. Just something very, very light. So apply it. So once you're done doing something like this, the next thing you need to do is to use the edge, like the side of the brush, and do something like this. Something like this. So be mindful of your hand. Be mindful of your hand. So this is what we're able to create. But if you don't like the outcome, you can also go back to reduce it. That is, if it's looking too fat, you can also go back to reduce it. I've reduced it again. I think it's looking beautiful this way. Yeah. So go to the other eye and do the same thing. Okay. Do the same thing. If you have any questions, drop in the comment section. So once you're done applying it, the same process, use the edge of the brush and drag it down. Drag it down. And this is what we have, looking so pretty. Yeah. So we are done with achieving the eyebrow. Now what we need to do next is to apply my edge control. Yeah, and this is where we're going to have issues. So do not come for me. This is how I do mine. So if you have your own process or your own procedure, thank you. So for these edges, we're going to be having small issue because I don't really know how to do it, but with God all things are possible. So what I normally do is to first of all bring out some, okay, I think we should pack my hair first before we achieve this. You can either pack your hair or just whichever way around. So let's pack my hair, and this is how I pack my hair. Just fix this and make sure that my hair is combed well. So I'll be right back. Let me comb my hair. So just comb your hair up. Comb your hair. Comb it up. So once I'm done, then this rubber band, all you just need to do is to bring it up. Though the rubber band is too light, but I think you can still be able to achieve something. It's too light, so just drag it up. Drag it up. I think it's looking cute now. Yeah, this is how I want it to look. Isn't it beautiful? It's pretty. So what we need to do now, we can now peacefully apply our edge control. Yeah, so if there is any adjustment, I will still do it towards the end, but I think like this is looking much more pretty. So let's apply our edge control. Do not come for me, I said it earlier on. So this is how I apply my edge control. I first of all bring out some layers of the hair. So I first of all bring out some layers of the hair. Then after that, next thing I do is to just take some parts and curve it. And curve it. Curve it. Take it and take it inside. I hope you're seeing what I'm doing. Take it inside. Yeah. There are different ways of doing edge control, and if you watch my previous video, you always see different design. So but for today's tutorial, I think I'm led to do it this way. So same thing you do here. Take this one and also take it inside. Yeah, take it inside. Yeah, just something very simple we are doing. We're not doing anything much. So same thing, you also bring out something here. It's very easy. Just bring out some hair and drag it. Bring out some hair and I think, yeah. Guys, forgive me, I don't know what so let's bring it here, and yeah, I think that small thing is looking cute like that. So once we're done, we do it same thing we do here. Let's apply it here. Yeah, same thing we did. So just bring out some hair. Bring out some hair. Bring out some hair, and same thing we did on the other end is what we're going to be doing here. So you can also decide to put design, all those your circle CC. Decide to put design if you want. Yeah. When I said don't come for me, this is what I was talking about. If you check, they are not even. Yes, I know they are not even. So we are almost done. We're not yet done, but we are almost done with the tutorial and the makeup. Now, what do you guys think? I think I'm looking much more cute. Like this, I can go anywhere. Like I can actually go out, unlike the way I was looking. So as a girly, if you have any earrings in the house, just go ahead and mount it. So I'm going to be using this beautiful earring. It's so cute. I also got it cheap. It's not expensive, okay? If you want the amount, drop it in the comment and I will tell you how much I actually got it. So just lay it to your ear. Lay it to your ear. Lay it to your ear. Take the other one too and lay it to your ear. Doesn't mean that I can't find my ear hole again. Yeah. And yippee! I look so cute. Look at this beauty. Oh my god, what do you think? Is it beautiful? Yeah, so this is how I do my everyday makeup, and if you can be able to achieve this, you're good to go. You can go to your workplace, you can go to bank. Like, we didn't apply foundation, it's not too much. But if you want tutorial on that, because I have a full makeup kit, so if you want maybe a tutorial on maybe applying just a foundation and maybe a little eyeshadow, I got you all. So what do you think about this look? It's a very simple, just simple makeover. What do you think? I look cute? I look cute. I look cute. So this is the final look. Rate it according to your battery percent. Yes, it's just a very simple makeover. Okay, simple lip, eyebrow check. Like, look at the eyebrow. It's giving everything it's supposed to give. Like, it's very strong. Like, this can last you for a whole day. Yeah. So what do you all think? So bye guys, and if you have not subscribed to my channel, please do well to subscribe, because on this channel I'm going to be showing you guys a lot of adventures. Yes, a lot of things. Okay, so bye bye guys, and see you in my next video. Drop something in the comment section. What do you think about this whole look?